In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wikipedia-like dashboard in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable system that works just like browsing a mini encyclopedia inside your notes. We're keeping things simple and focused so you can follow along easily and get something useful up and running in just a few minutes. Start by opening Obsidian. If you have multiple vaults, choose the one where you want this dashboard to live. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar. That's where your file explorer is. This is where you'll see folders and notes, and it's how we'll keep everything organized. Think of the file explorer as your table of contents. Create a new folder. You can do this from the new folder icon in the file explorer or by using the context menu. Give it a clear, memorable name like Wikipedia. This folder will be your home base, and everything we build today will go inside it. Keeping all the pieces together makes navigation easy and keeps your vault tidy. Now, add your first note and place it inside that folder. Name it Physics. Obsidian saves as you type, so you can start writing right away. Add a short overview at the top, then a few lines that define the main ideas you want to track. You might include a heading for core concepts or key formulas. The details don't have to be perfect, just enough to make the page meaningful and useful when you come back later. As you write, remember that Obsidian supports wiki-style links using double brackets. When you type a pair of brackets like this, Obsidian suggests matching note titles. Links are what turn your notes into a dashboard you can actually navigate. We'll add those links as we create the related pages so everything connects seamlessly. Create a second note in the same folder and name it Biology. Add a brief description and a few important ideas or definitions. When you're ready, link it to the physics page by typing physics anywhere it makes sense in your text. You'll see the link appear and it will be clickable instantly. You can also type chemistry now to prepare the next connection. That link will update automatically once the chemistry note exists. Next, add a third note and name it chemistry. Put it in the same folder, then write a short overview and a couple of key points. Link out to the other two pages by typing physics and biology. At this point, everything is connected, so jump back to the physics note and add links to biology and chemistry there as well. You now have a triangular set of pages that reference one another, which is exactly how a wiki-style dashboard feels. Use the links to move between pages one by one. Click a link inside physics to go to biology, then click a link from there to go to chemistry, and so on. If you like, you can open links in the same pane to stay focused or in a new pane to compare notes side by side. The back and forward buttons at the top of Obsidian make it easy to retrace your steps, just like a web browser. Your folder acts as the hub, and your interlinked notes are the entries in your personal encyclopedia. As you add more content to each note, think in terms of short, scannable sections. Keep titles clear and consistent so your links always look clean, and try to keep each note focused on a single topic. When you need more subjects, simply repeat the same process in this folder so your dashboard grows in a structured way. That's it. You opened Obsidian, created a dedicated folder, added 3 topic notes, wrote meaningful content, and linked them so you can click through them one by one like a miniature Wikipedia. With this foundation, navigating your knowledge becomes fast, intuitive, and genuinely enjoyable. Save your changes. Obsidian handles most of that automatically, and you're ready to use your new dashboard every day.